Today I am here to actually to celebrate the Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mother out there. Happy Mother's Day to my mother, and happy Mother's Day to all women over there. I am Paulumi Sharkar, parenting coach from Deep. I am here to announce the Carnival of Hope, which we are going to conduct from tomorrow till 45 days from tomorrow. Actually, in this current scenario, we are facing so much of unwell things, and there are so many negativity, there are so many bad newses, so many tensions are over there. But we, the coaches from Deep, has decided that we will deliver some positivity to the society. Actually, what happened one day when we all coaches are met in a Zoom meeting, we decided what to do. Like we all are again stuck in the house, and this time the situation is very bad. It's it's more rather is worse than before. So each and every day we are getting some bad news. Someone is affected, someone is losing someone, and every day from social media, some from news media, we are getting so many of negativities. Fine, and we are attracting that. So at that time, what happened? When we met on the Zoom, we decided to do something for the society, and when we are organizing all those things, I came out with a beautiful story. Like in this current scenario, what happened in a room, there was 4 candles. But in a silent secret room, there was 4 candles. Hi Ganga, hi Ruchi ma'am, Supriya di, how are you? Thank you for joining. Yeah. So actually, there was 4 candles in a room, in a secret silent room, and they all are lighting shine and bright. And what happened? One candle thought that let's see what happened around us. He came to know that out of that room in the world, there are so many bad things are happening, so many people are upset, nothing developing is happening, nothing creative is happening. So that candle get very much depressed, and that candle thought that in this situation he might not be able to light his flame. So his flame diminished. And what happened? We found that is the prosperity candle. The prosperity light gets off. After watching this situation, another candle thought, let's see what happened outside, why this happened. He went outside and see everyone is against everybody. Like there is nobody to support each other. They are like taking disadvantages from each other. The society is in hell actually, and everyone is in fear, in pain. Nothing is right. So that time, that candle also thought, in this situation I can't survive. I also can't survive. So he also gets off. And we found that was the candle of trust, belief, faith. And in this way, prosperity and faith gets off. And after seeing this situation, the another candle that also come into some tension of what is happening, why these things are going. So she also, the candle also go outside and see nobody is with anybody. Everyone is in tension, everyone is in pain. Nobody is going to get outside, and everything is happening that is not well. That's why the candle also thought is prosperity and faith is not there, then I can't also be survived. that candle also gets off, and that candle was the candle of love. In this way, love, faith, and prosperity, the candle of all those things gets off. Suddenly, at that moment, a child enters that room. The child found that only one candle is lighting and another three is not, and he started crying. What happened? Everything is start finishing, and what happened? Only the one thing is lightening and other thing is not. So he started crying. Then another candle told to the child that, you see, when I am there, let me see what is going on. He start watching everything on everything, and he has a belief on him that I am not born to be gets off. I have to light from beginning to end. This is my life. So he told the kid, you took me and start lighting other three candles. In this way, the other three candles again lighten up, and the kid saw that that candle was the candle of hope. In this way, if we can maintain the hope, then prosperity, love, faith, everything will remain. After this thought came in our mind, we took a decision that we have to spread hope to the society, and we came up with Carnival of Hope. This Carnival Hope program, this is a series of programs. There will be summer camp for the kids. There will be family engagement program. There will be some parenting talks. There will be some talk shows and many more. From tomorrow till 45 days, for 6 weeks, we will be serving the society with all these services, and the main thing is everything is free. We will be not charging anything. This is our little bit effort to the society to bring everyone to positivity. Like we are getting bad news, the time is not well, but if 1 hour or 2 hours in a day we can stay in positivity, that will be helpful to each and everybody. It's helpful to us also, it's helpful to society also. That's why we have planned for this Carnival of Hope. So in my description I have shared all the links. You can go and register yourself. The summer camp is for 4 to 12 years of kids, and it will be from 17th. It will be going to start. It will be from 11 to 1 a.m. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. as my pardon. And then every day from 4 to 5 p.m. every day from tomorrow there will be a parenting session. It's called Deep Premier League, Deep Parenting League. So that session will every day one new coach will be there with one effective parenting topic that will definitely help you all parents over there to be a better parent, to become a partner to your kids. And then there will be a Guftagu, that will be a chat show, that will be also in a weekend program. There will be 2 days week program. Then there will be storytelling session. This will be a fabulous session. We have lots of storytellers, great storytellers among us, among our coaches, and they will be deliver some beautiful stories for the kids, and the kids will really going to enjoy these sessions. This will be again a weekday session. Everything is in my description box. You can see that. And there will be a family engagement program on Sunday. Har Ravivar Sah Parivar. In this program, all the family members will come together, and they will be having lots of beneficial programs like meditation, like career coaching programs, and everything that will really help you out in this current scenario. Actually, what happened, we have to find some opportunities in this problem situation. This is our motive, and I just want to share my point of view, why I am here actually, why I am with this all these coaches, why I am in this discussion That is the thing. Another story which I came up like a few days later. There was a fire in a big forest. There was a huge fire, and one little bird, he was trying to take little water in his beak, and he is dropping that droplets of water in the forest. He is going to the river and bringing little of water and is putting on the fire. Watching this, one big bird ask that small bird, what are you doing? Why are you trying? It can't be possible to for you to demolish all the fire over the forest. Then the little bird asked that, let me try. I want to try. And he again go and bring some water and drop it on the fire. Then the big bird again tell him that, don't do this. You will be burned out over there. Why are you doing this? The little bird is a very nice bird. He told that one day this fire will gets off. That will not be permanent. When the history will written over this fire, my name will be written in that trying to get off the fire, not to standing and seeing the fire burning the forest. This is a very good message for me, that I am, if in this situation I can do a little bit, if I can affect only one life, then I think I will be grateful, because this little effort of mine, if it serves the society in this pandemic situation, in this painful situation, then it's a God grace. So I think this will be a great program, the Carnival of Hope. Please do register through the links. I have shared all the links in my description box, and please encourage your kids to join the session, and please stay away from the negativity. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers over there. Thank you. Bye-bye.